Good morning. So what we're going to do today is download the Survey123 Connect for the desktop application. This is for Windows, so if you're using Mac or Linux, I apologize, but this is going to be for the Windows OS system only. So what we're going to do first is go to our internet, and we're going to go ahead to Google and type in Survey123 Connect download right here. And then we can come right to the main website. This is actually the resources section of the main website. And from here, we can scroll down all the way to the bottom, and we have our launch and downloads, which our first one is for the Arc Online Survey123. The next one is for if you're going to be doing field applications. As you can see, you can have for Apple, Google Play, Microsoft. Then you've got your Windows x64 and your Android bits right there. But this is the one we're interested in right here, the 123 Connect desktop application. We're going to go ahead and click the Windows x64, and we're going to go ahead and let that download right here. And once it's done, we'll be able to start and launch the executable. Alright, now that this is ready to go, we'll go ahead and click on it, and it's going to launch the executable. So right here, the ArcGIS Survey123 Connect setup, we'll go ahead and hit next, that we're going to do it. Let it default to its own installation folder. You're going to go ahead here and accept the license agreement, and we're going to go ahead and put a shortcut on as well, and then we'll go ahead and hit next and just give it a second. This could take a couple of minutes to do, so I'm going to pause the video, and when it's ready to go, I'll restart it back up. Okay, so now once it's gone through that area right there, you're going to see this ArcGIS Connect setup ready to install. We'll go ahead and click the install button right here and just let it go ahead and do its thing. This can take anywhere between, I've found, 3 to 5 minutes, if that. If you have a really good connection, it'll go by really quick, as you can see here. So now you're done. You'll go ahead and click finish, and you are all good. So what you'll get on your desktop, or if you didn't make the desktop shortcut in your applications, is the ArcGIS Survey123 Connect Hexagon application tool. So what you'll do is you'll double click this and go ahead and let it load. And this loaded on the other screen, so let's drag this over. So this is what you're going to get right here, is your Survey123 Connect main page, and you can create a new survey right from here, sign into ArcGIS Online, sign into ArcGIS Enterprise if you have an enterprise. If you sign into either of those, it's going to go ahead and save right to your organization. If you don't sign into them and you create a new survey, it'll create it, but you won't be able to publish any of the surveys. So just be aware that you do need to be a publisher, you do need to be signed into your organization, and that's just as easy as clicking sign in right here. This is signing into the ArcGIS Online account, but if you have a enterprise, you can come over to here and you can select a different portal if you have one. So that's it. That's how you're going to go ahead and sign on in to your Survey123 Connect, download, install, and get it all working great. Have a great day.